Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on ACURITE 00249DI Sportsmans Weather Station. Package contents. Features and benefits. Outdoor sensor. Display. Setup. Install or replace batteries. Outdoor sensor. Display. IntelliTime clock. Set the time, date, and units. Set the alarm time. Alarm clock on or off. Maximum accuracy. Placement for maximum accuracy. Display placement. Outdoor sensor placement. Operation. Using the Sportsmans Weather Station. Hunting and fishing activity meter. Learning mode. Troubleshooting. Care and maintenance. Display unit care. Outdoor sensor care. Replace IntelliTime clock battery. Specifications. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.